McPherson from McGrath Estate Agents.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 27 Kingfisher Drive in Yeppoon.
Situated on an 881 metre square allotment with double side access to the 7x9 high clearance powered shed, you will absolutely love how centrally located this place is, close to the bowls club and the golf course.
Come on in, have a look.
What I love most about this property has to be the functional family layout. I love the way that the open plan living and dining space connects with the kitchen and the outdoor entertaining, not to mention your separate living area.
So guys, there you have it, 27 Kingfisher Drive in Yeppoon. If you're looking for that family home with a big shed, please don't hesitate to call Anna or myself. Thanks for viewing, see you on the next one.